Hey, let's assume this scenario. Two engineers graduate on the same day. 5 years later, one earns double the salary. The difference is not intelligence, it's one career decision. Only on hard work and experience, you're already one career decision late because some engineers are paid for working more and some engineers are paid for deciding better. This video decides which side you'll be on. First, what exactly is cost management? Let's clear the confusion. Cost management is not accounting, it's not only Excel, and it's not a back office job. Cost management means predicting costs before they hit the project, understanding where money leaks, and advising management before decisions are made. In simple words, site engineers execute work, and cost professionals control how expensive that work becomes. Now, why should fresh engineers care about this early? Here's the uncomfortable truth: most engineers think I'll focus on site now and I'll think about cost later. But by the time you think about cost, habits are fixed, mindset becomes execution only, and growth becomes slower. Early exposure to cost management is a strategic advantage. So, how can a fresh engineer enter cost management? Let me be very practical. You don't switch to cost management overnight, you build credibility step by step. Step 1: understand projects, not just tasks. Even as a fresher, understand quantities, understand work sequence, and understand why delays actually happen. Cost professionals who don't understand execution fail fast. Step 2: learn the language of cost the right way. This is where AACE International comes in. AACE certifications don't teach you Excel, they teach cost planning, forecasting, risk thinking, and management level decision logic. For a fresh engineer, this gives structured thinking, makes your CV stand out, and trains your brain to think beyond site work. Now, let's talk about the mindset shift that decides your future. Normal engineering mindset asks, how do we execute this? Cost management mindset asks, what is the cost impact if we execute this? Start thinking like this: if manpower increases, what's the cost effect? If a delay happens, who pays? If scope changes, where is the recovery? Cost management is engineering with consequences. Now, let's talk about benefits versus a normal engineering path. Let's be honest, cost management gives higher visibility to management, involvement in decision making, better long term earning growth, and career paths toward cost manager, commercial manager, and even CFO. Execution engineers are valued for effort, cost professionals are valued for judgment. Now, the reality check. Cost management is not easy. Pressure is higher. Mistakes are visible. Decisions affect money. But that is exactly why it pays better in the long term. Responsibility creates value. If you're a fresh engineer and serious about career growth, management exposure, and long term earning potential, then cost management is not a shortcut. It is smart career design. On this channel, I talk about real cost management, not textbook theory. Subscribe if you want to grow strategically, not randomly.